In this video, we'll be testing the juicy whole chicken function. It's not a recipe, but a video to show you how the new COMBI 7000 series works. We'll be using a 1.8 kilogram whole chicken and we'll be marinating it in Nando's Peri sauce. We use roughly a cup of sauce per kilogram and we'll be marinating the chicken overnight. The next day after work, my dad removed it from the fridge and inserted the thermometer into the thickest part of the breast. He placed it carefully into the air fryer and drizzled with the remaining sauce from the bag. My dad selected the auto cook function for a whole chicken and inserted the weight. He chose juicy between juicy and well done. The air fryer selects at 140 degrees Celsius and estimated it would take about an hour and 19 minutes. This gave him plenty of time to do all the chores around the house. The air fryer automatically stopped once it reached an internal temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. Once it was ready, my dad unplugged the thermometer and carefully removed the chicken using a spatula and tongs. The chicken looked well cooked and he served it with a side of Nando's peri sauce and some sweet potato waffle chips. He cut all the parts to show you the inside. The meat was so tender that the bone just slid off. The leg meat was juicy and perfectly cooked, and the skin was amazing. My dad cut through the breast, and as you can see, the meat was fully cooked and perfect. Even the wings were so juicy. He reckons that the air fryer did a great job. In future videos, my dad will try a dry rub marinade mix to see if he can get a crispy chicken out of it. For cleaning, he poured all the remaining residue into a glass and placed the air fryer pieces into a dishwasher. They came out clean.